Well, now we're going to perform a solution of mass volume, and for this solution we're going to need 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So the first thing I'm going to do is to pour the water in the glass, and then we're going to add the sugar, 2 tablespoons, and we're going to mix it. We're going to mix it to make a solution until all the sugar is dissolved. We use the 2 tablespoons of sugar, which make an equivalent of 30 grams, and a cup of water makes equivalent of 250 milliliters. So we're going to mix until everything is dissolved, and to leave a sample like this.
For this solution, we put water and sugar as solid and water as solvent. We know that there are 240 milliliters of water and 30 grams of sugar. We need to convert the sugar to moles and the water to liters to get the molarity. We know that 1 mole of sugar is 342 grams. Then we do the rule of 3 and we get that 30 grams of sugar are 0.0877 moles of sugar. Then we convert the water to liters, which is more easy. We know that 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, and we get that it is 0.25 liters, 250 milliliters of water. Then, to get the molarity, we only divide the moles of sugar and the liters of water, and then we get that there are 0.358 moles in this solution of sugar and water.
For this mixture, we are using 600 milliliters of Coke and a glass of water, which is 250 milliliters of water.
To find the concentration of our solution, we're going to use the volume percent concentration formula, which is the volume of solute in milliliters divided by the volume of solution times 100. We know that our Coca-Cola is 600 milliliters and that our water is 200 milliliters, which gives us a solution of 800 milliliters. To find the concentration, we're going to do 250 milliliters divided by 850 milliliters times 100, which gives us 29.41% solute concentration.
Hello, I am Roberto and I'm going to teach you how to prepare a solution and how to calculate its molar concentration. We're going to need a device to measure weight, but we're going to need something more precise, not like this one. We don't have it, so we're going to use a volumetric cup and measure 5 milliliters of sodium chloride, and then we're going to search for the salt density so we can calculate the mass. We're going to multiply the density by the volume, and then we get the mass. We're going to pour this into the 100 milliliters of water that we already measured in this other cup, and then we're going to have our solution. To measure its molarity, we're going to need to get the chemical formula. We know that each of the elements in the compound have their weights, so we're going to sum them and we're going to obtain the weight of the compound. Then we're going to multiply the mass of the solid by the ratio that the molar mass gives us, and then we're going to obtain how many moles are there in the solution. we're going to round this to around 187 moles. We're going to convert the milliliters to liters, and finally we're going to divide the amount in moles by the total of the we're going to divide the amount of solute in moles by the amount of solvent in liters, and then we're going to obtain the molarity, which in this case is 1.87 molar, and that's how you get the molarity.